Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a very simple spread made out of peanuts. This peanut spread can be used as a healthy alternative to store-bought peanut butter. This peanut spread is yummy and contains zero preservatives. If you are bored of having bread with Nutella and jam, you should definitely try this. Let's see how to prepare this. For preparing 1 cup of peanut spread, we need 2 cups of peanuts. First, heat up a kadai. Add the 2 cups of peanuts into it. Dry roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the peanuts are roasted well, turn off the flame and let it cool. Once it cools down, remove the skin. Add this to a mixer jar. Make sure that the mixer jar is dry and does not contain any droplets of water. Now add a pinch of salt to this. In order to coarsely crush the peanuts, pulse it 3 times. Now grind this at speed 1 and check after 15 seconds. With the help of a spoon, mix it well and grind again for 15 seconds. The peanuts will start releasing oil and we will be able to get the right consistency in just under a minute. After almost 1 minute, you would get the right consistency that we need for this peanut spread. Do not add any additional water or oil to make this spread. That's it guys, our peanut spread is now ready in under 5 minutes. It tastes just like store-bought peanut butter, but at the same time it's much healthier since it contains no preservatives. You can store this in an airtight container for up to 7 days and use it on toasted bread and even on chapatis. Kids will definitely love this. Do give it a try and let us know if you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe our channel. Until next time, bye.